The Amazon Fire TV Cube, latest generation, is the most advanced streaming media player from Amazon to date, designed to offer a truly hands-free, high-performance home entertainment experience. Combining the power of a Fire TV 4K streaming device with the convenience of a full-featured Alexa smart speaker, the new Fire TV Cube stands out for its AI-powered Fire TV search, Wi-Fi 6E support, and seamless 4K Ultra HD streaming. One of its most notable upgrades is the new AI-enhanced voice search system, which delivers more natural, conversational interactions. This makes finding content faster and more intuitive, allowing users to say things like "find suspense thrillers with Oscar winners" or "show me 90s comedies for the whole family," and receive intelligent, relevant results pulled from across their apps and subscriptions. This improved Fire TV search uses Amazon's generative AI models to deeply understand user intent, making it a major leap forward in user interface design for streaming platforms. Performance-wise, the Fire TV Cube is powered by an octa-core processor, giving it twice the power of previous Fire TV devices and ensuring snappy menu navigation, instant app launches, and smooth 4K streaming even with Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and immersive Dolby Atmos audio. For connectivity, it supports the cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6E standard, which reduces network congestion and enhances streaming quality, especially in households with multiple smart devices or dense signal traffic. It also includes an Ethernet port for those who prefer a wired connection, and an HDMI input, which allows you to plug in other devices such as a cable box, game console, or Blu-ray player and control them with your voice through Alexa. Speaking of Alexa, the Fire TV Cube is a fully functional Alexa smart speaker, complete with far-field voice recognition and built-in microphones. Users can ask Alexa to launch apps, search for content, adjust the volume, dim the lights, or even check the weather, all hands-free, without needing the remote. The device also comes with the Alexa Voice Remote Enhanced, which features dedicated app buttons, voice command functionality, and backlighting for use in the dark. Privacy features are also built in. The Cube includes a physical microphone off button that electronically disconnects the mics when you want extra peace of mind. When it comes to content, the Fire TV Cube supports all major streaming platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Max, Apple TV+, Peacock, and more. It's also tightly integrated with Amazon's own ecosystem, offering personalized recommendations based on viewing habits, sync across devices, and smart home dashboard access. Multi-room music playback, Alexa routines, and compatibility with smart home devices make it a powerful hub for connected living. The device supports up to 4K Ultra HD resolution at 60 frames per second with high dynamic range formats, ensuring cinema-quality visuals at home.